When you want accuracy, reliability, and the all-around best value in a general construction laser, you want the Rugby 100 or Rugby 100 LR from Leica. Rugby 100 series lasers are designed to help you lay out footings and foundations, check grade, quickly set concrete forms and pads, and much more. Both lasers are automatic, horizontal, self-leveling, all-weather instruments that are 100% waterproof, dustproof, and backed by a 2-year limited warranty. With 1,000-foot and 2,500-foot operating ranges, respectively, the Rugby 100 and 100 LR are the professional's choice for any exterior residential or commercial laser leveling job. Contractors like the Rugby 100 and 100 LR's large, easy grip handle for moving from point to point and job to job. The 5-button keypad is easy for operators of all skill levels to understand and use. And the Rugby 100 series built-in HI elevation alert detects any sudden tripod shifts and movements, then sounds the alarm to prevent grading errors before they occur. The Rugby 100 LR combines extended range with a host of advanced operating features to set it apart from other general construction lasers, like machine control for excavators with the MC200 DepthMaster, for example, and a CAB sensor to control the depth of dozers and graders, plus a manual grade with cross-access compensation feature to automatically maintain a level cross-access when manual grade is used in the main access. Leica Rugby 100 and 100 LR general construction lasers, today's most swift, simple, and affordable solution for adding slope to driveways, septic lines, sidewalks, and curbing. The bottom line? When you want accuracy, reliability, and the all-around best value in a general construction laser, you want the Rugby 100 or Rugby 100 LR from Leica.